Ayan, ang ating camera guys, nakatayo na din. Ayan, malito tayo dito. Just see there Come, just see there. Hi guys, welcome to our vlog. For today's video, me and Kang Kang swimming. Be careful there, don't go down. Splash there na. Splash, splash, splash. Splash, splash, splash. There. Here. Look at me. Here. Okay. Just stay here. Just stay there. Just stay there and wait for me, Yeah, so come with me, come. No, no! No, no! Look at the bird. Look at the bird. Look at the bird. So, ayan guys. Hindi namin pinalampas ang aming pag-swimming dito sa Bangkok, Thailand. So, dito kami sa 33 floor. 33 floor yung swimming pool nila guys. What? Yeah. So, ayan guys. Oh, ayan may ibon, oh. Ayan, babad-babad lang. Hmm? Let's gohin kita dyan. Ligo na? Okay, we go. Okay, we go. So, ayan guys, ang kaniyang kabuuan ng swimming pool. Yan guys, ang itaas. Wait for me. Slippery there. Is it? Wait for me. May patakbo-takbo ka pa talagang nalalaman, ha? So, ayan guys, yung kagandahan dyan guys. So, ito yung kanyang view. Ayan. Saka dyan yung ano ng Saka siyempre, ito yung kanyang view. Yan, tapos sa baba. Ayan, ikot tayo. Ito na yan ikakat. Yan, kasi naka-front camera yan. So, dito naman. Ayun, sa kabila yung mga building. Tapos yan naman ang itaas niya. Oh. Yan, ang ganda ng kalangitan. Tapos dito naman sa parting ito yung mga towel. Yan, towel dyan. So, hanggang dito na lang guys. Please follow me kung napadaan kami sa iyong newsfeed. Thank you so much. Yan, may muta pa ako guys. Joke. Bagong gising. No?